welcome to our instructional series of videos. In this installment, we're going to show you how to install a PCIe card in the OWC ThunderBay Flex 8. In this particular video, we'll be installing an Ethernet card, but the instructions are the same for any listed compatible card. We've already gathered our materials and are working on a soft static-free surface. We're now ready to begin. The first step is to lay the enclosure on its side with the front facing your right. To remove the side panel, we first need to remove these 4 hex screws using the included Allen wrench. You can then remove the side panel and set it aside. To install our PCIe card, we'll first need to remove the slot cover. To do so, simply remove the small Phillips screw holding the slot cover in place, then slide the cover itself out. In the PCIe slot, there's a pin near the front. This corresponds with a notch near the front of the card's connector itself. Many cards have connectors that are shorter than the slot, so this pin and notch is a good way to make sure the card is installed properly. Slide the card into the slot until it's completely seated. You can then secure the PCIe card using the small Phillips screw you removed earlier. Set the side panel back into place and replace the 4 hex-headed screws. You can now attach the ThunderBay 8 Flex to your computer and install any drivers necessary for your card.